Unraveling the meaning of quiver. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into an interesting English word, quiver. You may have come across this term in various contexts, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of its meanings and how to use it in sentences. When quiver is used as a noun, it primarily refers to 1. A container for holding arrows. Archers, especially in historic contexts, would have a quiver slung over their shoulders to quickly grab an arrow when needed. Example: Robin Hood reached into his quiver to fetch an arrow. 2. A slight trembling movement or sound, usually caused by fear or cold. Example: there was a quiver in her voice as she spoke about the traumatic event. As a verb, quiver describes the action. 1. To tremble or shake. It might be because of fear, cold, or even excitement. Example: the leaves quivered in the wind. Example 2. She quivered with excitement as she opened the gift. Now, let's put our knowledge into practice with a few more example sentences. 1. The child's bottom lip quivered before he started to cry. 2. The archer grabbed an arrow from his quiver and took aim at the target. 3. The sudden loud noise made the cat's whiskers quiver. 4. She wore a quiver full of arrows on her back during the archery competition. And there we have it. The word quiver is versatile in the English language, representing both an object and an action. Next time you come across this word, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it appropriately. We hope this video has been helpful. Stay curious and keep learning.